Hello guys, it's that time of the week again when we introduce new trading strategies for beginners. I'm Ken Omolo, the founder of June Online, and today we want to talk about the simplest trading strategy for beginners that you can use in Olymp Trade to make money quick. Yeah. So this trading strategy revolves around the EMA and the money management strategy that we will be using for this one is the Martingale Trading strategy. Yeah. Without wasting so much time, let's log into Olymp Trade to set up the chart and to start trading with this strategy. Yeah. So after logging in into Olymp Trade, you should set your chart to candlesticks. That is, if it shows any other chart apart from candlesticks. Then the next thing that you need to know is that for this strategy, we will be trading a trade duration that is 2 or 3 times larger than the time frame of the chart. So if you set your chart, for example, to 5 minutes, then the trading duration for this strategy will be 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Yeah. Another thing that you need to know is that the EMAs, the first EMA we will set at period 9, yeah, on the chart, and the second EMA will be set at period 21. Yeah, I hope that is understood. Otherwise, you can also change the colors of the EMAs to distinguish them from one another. To this point, if there's anything that you've missed or have not understood so well, then you can pause this video here and refer to this cheat sheet for better clarity before we continue into trading with this strategy. Let's just point out a few things that you need to know about the exponential moving average and this strategy here. So what we will be focusing on to pick our signals on this strategy is one, we can pick strategies based on the directions of the two moving averages. For example, if they are facing upwards, then we can observe that and decide that it is an upward trend. If they are facing downwards, then we can see that that is a downward trend. Yeah. So in order to buy and make profits with this strategy, these two conditions have to be met. The two moving averages must be pointing upwards, and the second signal, which we will consider confirmatory signal, is the period 9 moving average will cross the period 21 moving average from bottom upwards, and it will continue moving upwards. On the flip side, to place a sell position, we will sell when these two moving averages are pointing downwards, and the period 9 moving average crosses over the period 21 moving average downwards and continues going downwards. If the markets are volatile enough, you should win up to 90% with this strategy. However, there are a few instances when you may lose, and that is why we have a contingency plan to make sure that if you lose, you can recover your money with this strategy. If you've not subscribed to this channel already, please subscribe. Follow us on Facebook at June Online Mall, on Twitter at June Online, and please make sure that you like our videos, share, comment. If you don't have an account on Olymp Trade, I'll leave a link on the description of this video. That way you can register and support us.